So my iPhone 6s Plus in space gray has finally arrived. So here is my unboxing of it. And as you can see, the box this year is very beautiful. I really like the motif here on the box. I really like that. Much more beautiful than last year. So this is really nice. I like the box. And it's protruding from the box too. Really nice. I like that. As you can see, iPhone 6s Plus. 64 gigabyte. So let's see. As you can see, Apple has done that design so great. They have done so that you can do this when removing the cover of the box. Feels so nice. And here you can see how huge the iPhone 6s Plus is compared to the iPhone 6 I have. Really huge. And here is the phone. Feels quite heavy in your hand. Like it. And here is the rest in the box as usual. We have some instructions and the usual stickers. That's nice. And we have the charger and the Lightning to USB cable. And we have the headphones, the AirPods from Apple. And nothing else in the box. So go back to the phone then. Feels very nice. Let's remove this plastic. So nice, so nice. And as you can see, a total black front on the space gray. I usually like the white front because you can see the difference between the bezels and the display. So you can see where the display ends. But I think this looks really nice with a total black front. And here is the back. Looks really nice. And it feels a bit different from the iPhone 6 in the hand. And I think I will like this size a lot because I think it's the perfect size really for my hands. I like it. I like it a lot. So that was my unboxing of the iPhone 6s Plus 64 gigabyte in space gray. I will do a hands-on video and also a review later on after a week or so. Okay, bye.